Good day, teachers and learners. Good day, everyone. I am Teacher Tony, a junior high school mathematics teacher. In this video, we will explore on how we can use Classwiz calculator in learning and teaching solutions to quadratic inequalities. The examples and steps to be discussed in this presentation are also indicated in the Casio book on solving quadratic inequalities. The Casio emulator is a great tool for teachers to simulate the process of learning and computation in class. In this lesson, we will be exploring on menu degree minute second or the inequality mode as we learn and teach solving quadratic inequalities with Casio Classwiz. As a starter, let us have this first example. In this example, we are asked to find all solutions to the inequality, the binomial x plus 1 multiplied by the binomial x minus 3 is greater than 0. To do so, we need to press menu and then the degree minute second to activate our inequality function. And then we are asked for the degree of the polynomial. Since the degree is 2, we need to press 2. We need to select what type of inequality we are going to use. Since the given is greater than, then we need to press 1. The given example is a factored form of two binomials. But what we need to key in our calculator are the numerical coefficients of a, b, and c. By multiplying the two binomials, we will have the polynomial x squared minus 2x minus 3. Therefore, our a is equal to 1, so we need to press 1. And then our b is negative 2, so press negative 2. Then equals. And then our c is negative 3, so press negative 3, and then equals. And then pressing equals again, we have the solution set x is less than negative 1 union x is greater than 3. Let us have our second example. In this example, we are asked to find all solutions to the inequality, the binomial 2x minus 3 multiplied by the binomial x plus 5 is less than or equal to 0. Again, we need to press menu and then the degree minute second. Our degree, of course, is 2. And this time, our inequality is less than or equal to, so we need to press 4. Again, our given polynomial is in factored form. Expanding this, we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. Thus, our a is equal to 2. So press 2 equals. And our b is positive 7, so press 7 equals. And our c is negative 15, so press negative 15. And then equals, pressing equals again, we have the closed interval negative 5 to positive 3 halves. For our last example, we are asked to determine all the possible values of x such that negative x squared plus 7x minus 12 is less than or equal to 0. Again, using our Casio Classwiz, we need to press menu and then the degree minute second button. And then we need to press 2 since our degree is 2. And then we need to press 4 since our given inequality is less than or equal to. After, we need to input the values of the numerical coefficients a, b, and c. A is negative 1 and then equals. B is positive 7 and then equals. C is negative 12 and then equals. And pressing equals again, we have the union of two intervals, semi-open, negative infinity up to positive 3 and semi-closed, positive 4 to positive infinity. That's it for now. We are positive that our teachers will be able to share this wonderful learning experience with our students. We hope that we brought ease in teaching the solutions to quadratic inequalities using Casio Classwiz. See you on our next video.